Hello, my name is John, I'm Ecuadorian.
And I'm Charles, I'm Canadian.
Today, we'll show you some dialogues at the university. Dialogue 1. Registration. Good morning.
Good morning.
I've come to get more information about the requirements to get into the university.
Which career would you like to take?
Well, there are two courses that I'm really interested in. One is economy and the other one is marketing.
Very well. The requirements to enter the university are the marks of the college and the confirmations of payments for the registration. In the case of economics, you have to take a math test, which will take place on November 5th. Here's the mathematics test syllabus. The test is supposed to check your abilities in the mathematical area and see if you need a leveling course.
Do I need the math test for marketing too? Or the grades from the college and the payment confirmation are enough?
Exactly. And if you're from a foreign country, then you need to present the aforementioned documents and their translation in English, a photocopy of your passport, plus you need to submit a certificate that confirms your level in English for B1 or B2.
I get it. When is the deadline to submit all these documents?
October 30th.
Okay, thank you very much for the information. See you later.
Goodbye. Good day.
Dialogue 2. Conversation between two students.
John, have you already invited Steve to the party we will give in our house?
Oh no, I've forgotten it completely. Well, now he's here, we will tell him. Steve, how are you?
Hey guys, pleasure to see you. I've been good, but I've got a lot of things to study. How are you all?
We're fine, Steve, but you have disappeared somehow. I guess you spent a lot of time studying. Leave school for a while, nothing wrong is going to happen.
Yeah.
It is a joke. Look, we want to invite you to the party we're going to give at Carolina's place this Saturday night. What do you think? Will you come?
Well, thanks a lot, but I still don't know. I have to study. I still need to borrow some notes because I was sick and I didn't attend the lectures.
Well, what is it?
Well, I missed the Mondays and Tuesdays classes.
Don't worry, we'll give you the notes. Even now, we can give you your notebooks so you can copy everything.
Thanks a lot. I hope you have noted everything, eh?
You think we didn't? I have noted everything for sure.
Well, thanks again. Now I think I'll join you on Saturday.
That's my Steve. We'll be waiting for you.
Well, guys, I'm going home. I'll be able to move forward with all this.
Go ahead and say hi to your parents.
Same to you. Bye-bye. Dialogue 3. At the library.
Well, to review what we have seen today in class, you can go to the library and lend any books related to Calculation 1. The book that I recommend is Larson, Book of Calculation 1, 9th edition. You can consult in other books, but I think in this one the exercises are much easier to understand.
Professor, I have a question. Could you give us more details on the topics for our Friday exam?
Yes, the subject of the study is derivation. Everything we've seen so far on derivation.
Thank you.
So guys, see you on Friday and get ready for the test.
Hey Charles, if you want, we can go to the library to borrow the math book to be able to study. The one the teacher recommended us.
Yeah, of course, Josh. But we have to hurry up because I need to go home as soon as possible.
Okay, let's go now then.
How did you say it was called again, the book?
It was called Larson's Calculation 1. Well, Josh, take 2 books. Have you ever borrowed books in the library, Josh?
No, to be honest, never.
Well, you just have to present your student card and they will do the whole process. We have a month to return the book. If we want to use it for more than 1 month, we have to come to the library and extend this period. If we go over the date, we pay 25 cents for each day that passes.
Oh, very easy to tell the truth.
You see, I've told you. Now let's go and study.
Let's go then.